Maria loves to write about artisanal handicrafts, so she put aside the time to create her own artisanal handicraft blog with videos and great articles using Builderall's built-in blog builder. Maria collected emails for newsletters from her blog, which now has thousands of visitors every month thanks to the Builderall's SEO on-page optimization system. Today, Maria earns money with AdSense ads and sending emails sponsored by companies that sell products in her niche. Maria charges around $2,000 for her services sending email campaigns and writing an article post. It is incredible what you can do with this platform. How about you? What's your story? Would you like to leverage your business or idea and turn yourself into the successful entrepreneur that you've always wanted to be? Here, you can transform your million-dollar idea into a million-dollar business. I am Eric Salgado, and I am inviting you now to register on Builderall to get immediate access to all our tools, courses, trainings, and sales funnels. You will be pleasantly surprised by all we have to offer. We can work together to write your success story on the internet. Builderall is the most complete online business platform available to anyone, anywhere, and I created it for people just like you. So sign up now.